And if you missed some of our big stories, big interviews, you can check them out on our social media pages at Star FM across our social media platforms, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. So right, trending is a video of a couple who were caught with a monkey draped in the Zimbabwean traditional ceremonial clothes and beads, Jira, ReRetso, Nezhuma. And it is alleged, that Tsikamutanda, who's well, that's a witch hunter in English here, caught this goblin. A lot of people have commented that Tsikamutanda is a fake, with one commenting the monkey is a paid actor. They just know you can pet these animals. Wogadzirisa content mese muvamaenda kuna madzibaba ivavo muchiti vanobata zvikwambo. Chibusiness ichi kana wakangwara unotora mari, and our source is Zim Celebs. Yeah. Good morning, Lewe.
Morning, how are you? Amaitira kuti yaje munhu angasonyatsodzanisa pfungwa.
A paid actor. A monkey is a paid actor. Oh wow, what's your take?
I've heard, but I've never seen one.
What's been your take?
So I understand kuti anatsikamutanda vanouya, especially my families. I'm not sure kuti vanouya vega here or munonovadeedza kuti pane zvanetsa mumhuri medu, then they come, they do their what, you know.
In some cases, I think munenge mafamba as a family. Maybe much now, you know what, punish or what. But I remember when I was doing my O levels, it was my first time going to Kumusha for a holiday. Yeah, I went to my grand's. In fact, we went there, and then there's one that came in the village. You know, they are not going to a village, right? And then for these guys to cleanse, you know, the land. The funny story that I heard, not that I saw it, was Hansi he wakapina mkitchen yangu amai, then vava panobikirwa paipa, you know, they put those the vava chera, then they found a skull munu, and I was like, right, I don't know.
Why the skull?
She was a witch, so she killed someone, put it there. I don't know what it was for, but by then I was still young, and up until now I still have that moment, like, really, I don't know.
But I'm thinking, Kari, vachitanga zvanatsikamutanda and kuti kuve nezita rekuti vanatsikamutanda vanobata vanhu, they had to be the originals.
And I still think maybe there's still the originals, but then there's also the fake ones who are in it just to make money. Like what this one comment says, cheap business, because the monkey you can just pet it and train it and you're good to go. And then there were videos that were circulating on social media. Yema bees, I don't know if you've seen it. And when I go to I'm like, right, okay. Okay, I don't know. Yeah.
And if we can agree kuti vanhu vanoroya variko, vanobata mushonga variko, zvikwambo zviriko, we can also agree kuti vanokwanisa kuzvibvisa nekuzvifomora variko. So I'm thinking kuti kune vechokwadi vanotendwawo nevefake vanenge vachiita business. Because you know, sometimes pamune muchifamba, it's out of desperation. Muda kubatsirwa quick zviri fast, and munenge makabhilivha kuti tinyasobhilivha kuti zvaita tinofanira kuwana something. There has to be, with this magnitude of a problem, there has to be something.
Imagine wanotoya musha menye uze tuda mombe too for us to do what we have to do. Motobvisa mombe, this is a fake person.
Kwakambofamba imwe inga iri video what you like yekuti vanoenda kunotenga matools nemaprops mubaromu vodhirepa zvinhu zvinoda kunge zvichiratidza kuti matraces eropa vopenda vodi moti problem plus vanamutsikamutanda or vamwe vacho vanotoita, but kana business risiri kunyatsofamba, I bet they create situations.
Not even taking it far. Remember yesterday we were talking to Lumpy. Yeah. If you missed our conversation with Lumpy is a presenter from our sister station Diamond FM that's in Mutare. And he was talking about an incident that happened in Mutare whereby this Muporofita, was a Muporofita, right? paid someone to act as a
Yeah,
witch.
the two paid witch actors.
Hands anotobhadhara vanhu to pretend to be witches. So what he then does is he goes to a homestead, or I believe it's no panapa mchambata munhu anokuroyai
This is a witch trap
such a witch trap. And then next thing he goes paints his people, then they go padhuze nepamba ipapo vozobatwa vobva vafona kuti pane chinhu zvataona chichi. Then he comes running kuti yes, that's the person who's been bewitching you. Apa hamutomuziva. And I'm like, you know.
You know, I'm thinking nyaya twatinozonzwa itu handiti inenge iri nyaya yetwe vanhu vari fake ndo tinozobva twapfumbira twabuda. And I'm wondering, are there vanhu chaivo vana Tsikamutanda chaivo maprofita chaivo ekuti you definitely know kuti I don't know kuti tonyatso, because it will also become an issue even maprophets vanosimudza vanhu pamawheelchair kuti mapaid actors. Oh, I'm quite confusing. This time it's confusing.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
This one says, I grew up hearing about these guys, but never trusted them because I know zvainzi munofamba nedanda ravo ukadona ipapo then une zvaunazo ndopavanozoenda kumba kwako kunotsvaga zvinhu zvako izvozvo. Okay.
I heard of those kuti vaenda danda wesauda so iwotanga kufamba, you know, ipapo apo kwaluza balance.
It's a log. It's bound to just guys. This one says Jira in Skywalker to the opinion in my team Tsikamutanda. Ooh, that won't end well. That won't end well. So it is our trending story for today. A video of a couple were caught with a monkey draped in a Zimbabwean traditional ceremonial cloth and beads. ReRetso. And it's alleged that Tsikamutanda, known as a witch doctor in English, caught this goblin. And a lot of people have commented that Tsikamutanda is a fake, with one commenting the monkey is a paid actor. They just know you can pet these animals. Wogadzira content mese mova maenda kuna madzibaba ivawo muchiti vanobata zvikwambo. Cheap business ichi kana wakangwara unotora mari in our sources them celebs. So now I want to know what's your take on this. Are Tsikamutandas real in your own opinion? Hit me up on WhatsApp at 0772162651. And if you're going to send us an audio, please make sure your audio is just under 30 seconds.
I'm thinking kova kwabatwa nditete if vanetsoko yavo iyi.
No, not even
yabatwa iyi.
Makaona kuti even if the white kumba kwati. That's it.
Itozo. Saka murese achatovafarire nekuti you're fake.
Oh man. Oh wow. The times we're living in. The times we're living in. So yeah, 0772162651. That was our trending story for today, and we'll be reading your messages as we go. Short in the arm coming up shortly. The name is Lois, and this one features